Hi guys, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is how to create a profile or Cariculam vitae. And guys, I hope definitely this video will help you to create a resume. Okay, and guys, before going to topic, please like and share, and please subscribe the channel. Okay, and guys, come to the topic. Okay, guys. Before first we need to mention name and contact number, email id. Okay, and keep it in middle of resume. Okay, and then after career objective. Okay, career objective, it means where you want to be in the future years in organization. Okay, then after education details, in education details, if you have completed masters or if you have completed bachelors. Okay, keep it your highest education in top. Okay, like a bachelor's, this guy done bachelor's, so that's why I have mentioned bachelor's in the top of his education details, then intermediate ssc. Okay, and delete this ssc, and university or a college name and year of passing. Okay, when is completed his education. Then after technical skills, come to the technical skills where you have knowledge in technologies. Okay, programming language, if you have a knowledge in java or python or a .NET. Okay, mention in programming languages. Then after web technologies, uh, it's like a html, css, javascript, react, angular. Okay, these all are called web technologies. And databases like a dbms, rdbms, sql, postgres, mongodb. Okay, bases, databases. And then automation, selenium. These all are like testing tools. Okay, so guys, and one more thing, please mention technical skills based on requirement also, because you got a requirement from so and so company, and please read it carefully. And what are the technologies client is particularly looking. Okay, based on that job description, please mention technical skills as per company requirement. Okay, here. Then after certifications, certifications means whatever you have done in college, internships. Okay, college internships or institute. Okay, online certifications, mention in certifications. And because these certifications will help you to get a job, but it is not 100% sure, but I can say it will help you to get a job. Because if you are going to apply for a java role or a java developer, programmer, or python developer, if you have certification in a python, so if you mention in the certifications, so it will help you. Okay, then after strengths, strength is nothing but a positive approach, self-confidence, or a sincere or hardworking. Okay, these all are points we can consider as a strength. And then hobbies, hobbies is nothing but your daily routine things. Okay, like playing cricket, watching tv, playing chess, reading newspaper. These all are hobbies, daily your routine things. Okay, then after personal detail, in personal details, your name, father name, these all are your bio data. Okay, then declaration. And guys, one more suggestion, before going to save your profile, please check whether your profile is in correct format or not. Okay, if it is not, then control all, control a, click on font, and click on size. Why I'm telling you this means, if you not set this, your profile is not looking good. Okay, if you check this profile, this is looking good, so recruiters will understand your skills and your profile easily. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, please check it before you are going to apply for a job. Okay, and guys, I hope my video is uh, more helpful for you, and you have learned how to create a profile today. And guys, please like and share, and please subscribe the channel, click on bell icon. Thank